Benefits are, again, any hair follicles that are capable of producing any kind of a hair will be stimulated by the exosomes and improve. It will grow and it will cause more growth and fuller hair for people who are balding, for women who lose their hair for many reasons, from childbirth to thyroid disease. But other than alopecia, just male pattern baldness, thinning of the hair, early thinning of the hair loss with thyroid, women with hypothyroid conditions, and a lot of menstrual conditions causing hair loss, and hormone problems causing hair loss.